I'm Alex and I work at Fluid. One of the things I get asked often is how to create custom views of project progress filtered down to just the details that you or your stakeholders want to see. In this case, I'll show you how to set up a custom dashboard with just your active projects listed by portfolio and how you can share that with stakeholders to give them a quick and clear update within minutes. So, from our project dashboard view, you'll find a multitude of templates that you can choose from and customize to your needs. So here we've got the switch report layout button. And under the project section here, I'm going to use the portfolio status report and just load that in. So in this view, we can see all of our projects listed by portfolio already. So you can see construction here, there are 10 projects. And if I close that, you can see all of the other portfolios here and how many projects within each. And you can expand each section to see the projects within them. We can also use filtering and options to change the way that these are grouped. So for example, I could group by RAG status. So we've got all of our red projects, amber projects, and green projects. And you can see that there are other grouping options here and other views that you can choose from. So in this case, I'm going to go back to portfolio. In this view, you're able to see a list of the projects by portfolio, but you're also able to see the RAG status, the primary PM, and the status of the project. You can see the start and end dates, and you can also see the percentage completed of that project. So one of the things that we want to do here is I actually want to take out the closed projects because I don't really want to see those because they're past. I just want to show my stakeholders the active projects. So in this list of project filters down the side, we can select status and I can just tick on the active and apply that. When this reloads, you can see the only projects that we can see are those that are in the active status. If you want to see any other statuses, you can update that, and there are multiple filters on the left that you can use to tailor the information in front of you. To take this a step further, we can save this dashboard view with all of the filters that you have applied. So we can go to Save Dashboard and we'll get this pop-up window. So give this new dashboard a name that is memorable. I'm going to call this Active Projects by Portfolio. Then we're going to add a description. This description can be seen when you select this dashboard in future, so make sure it is clear what that dashboard is showing you, so when other people select it, they know what they're going to get in that dashboard view. You can select a category. In this case, I'm going to put that into my project dashboards category. The report layout will be automatically selected for you depending on the base template that you use to create this dashboard. And you can also choose whether you want to have this as a personal save dashboard or if you want to share that with other users. So if you want other people in your company to be able to find and use this dashboard, switch that on, save, and we can see that that has created a new dashboard here, and that is the title that you gave it. If you want to use this project again in future, you can just click on your other dashboards, go into your project dashboards, which were already in there, and you can see here active projects by portfolio. That is the one I created. Select that and that will load that up. And finally, to send this to your stakeholders, you can take a copy of the URL or web link directly from the address bar, copy and paste that into an email, and when your stakeholders click on the link, they will be transported directly to this page with this view with all of the custom filters that you've set up for them so they can see their project information clearly and concisely, and it only took you a few minutes to set up. So there it is, a list of all of your active projects grouped by portfolio that is shareable and updates as your projects do, so you don't have to spend time manually populating reports. If you'd like to know more about Fluid, click on the link in the description below to speak to